Hi, welcome to TM Vlogger. We're going to talk about some of the most beautiful birds around the world. There are thousands or millions different species of birds on Earth, and many of them are so amazingly beautiful. So let's start from here. Red-crested turaco. The red-crested turaco, Turaco erythrolaphus, is a turaco, a group of African Otidomorphae birds. It is a medium-sized bird, with characteristic red and green pigmentation, typical in this genus. Adult red-crested turacos usually reach 17 to 20 inches in length. These beautiful little birds flock in groups of up to 30 birds, or in pairs. Red-crested turacos prepare to live in woodland and forestry where it is able to feed on available fruits and berries. And also eat flowers, leaves, termites, seeds, acacia, figs, snails and occasional insects. Red-crested turaco utters deep barking call. When together, their unique calls are often mistaken for those of various monkeys. Hyacinth macaw. The hyacinth macaw, or hyacinthine macaw. This beautiful large bird survives today in 3 known distinct populations in northeastern Paraguay, southern Brazil, and eastern Bolivia. With an impressive length of 100 centimeters, hyacinth macaw is the largest of all flying species of parrots in the world. Because of its stunning color. Hyacinth macaw, also called as blue macaw. Macaws have a beautiful long tail and strong and curved black bill. A striking cobalt blue plumage with bright yellow rings around the eyes. Some species of palm are central to its diet. But it also eats seeds, nuts, fruits, and vegetable matter. Hyacinth macaws can eat some poisonous seeds and unripe fruits that no other animal can digest. Golden pheasant. The golden pheasant, Chrysolophus pictus, also known as the Chinese pheasant, and rainbow pheasant, is a gamebird. Golden pheasants inhabits the mountainous forests of western China. And these blonde-headed game birds have now been established in a number of locations worldwide, including parts of Europe and North and South America. The male golden pheasant is the flashy one, with their beautiful golden yellow crest tipped with red. Their underpart is bright red and face. Sides and throat are rusty tan. Unlike most of the birds on this list, golden pheasants rarely fly. They like walking or running, although they have the ability to become airborne for short periods of time. Painted bunting. The painted bunting, Passerina cirrus, is a species of bird in the cardinal family, Cardinalidae, that is native to North America. Sometimes called the nonpareil, meaning unrivaled. The male painted bunting has fusion colors of blue, green, yellow, and red, and seem like always drawn on a child's coloring book. These petite relatives of the cardinal generally don't exceed 5.5 inches in length. Painted buntings primarily feed on seeds, especially of grasses. During breeding season, however, they expand their diet to include small invertebrates, primarily insects, but also spiders and snails and other small arthropods. Bohemian waxwing. The Bohemian waxwing, Bombycilla garrulus, is a starling-sized passerine bird that breeds in the northern forests of Eurasia and North America. Bohemian waxwing is a medium-sized songbird, and they are known for their high-pitched calls. Grayish-brown overall with subtle peach blushing around its black mask. And wings with 2 distinctive white rectangular patches and red wax-like tips on the secondaries. Bohemian waxwing looks like. Bohemian waxwings are primarily fruit eaters, but they eat some insects too. This beautiful bird is among the most beautiful passerine birds in the world. Scarlet macaw. The scarlet macaw, Ara macau, is a large and very colorful parrot with a bright red plumage and blue back. Their upper wings are yellow and edged with green color. The scarlet macaws have bare white skin around the eye and from there to the bill. They inhabit in humid evergreen forests across Central and South America. An adult scarlet macaw has a length between 80 to 90 centimeters and weighs up to 1.5 kilogram. Scarlet macaws mostly eat fruits and seeds, including large, hard seeds. They destroy the seeds that they eat and do not disperse them. Scarlet macaws also live for a long period of time. It is said to be the scarlet macaws can live 40 to 50 years and in captivity can live up to 75 years. Lesser bird of paradise. Found only in New Guinea and a few surrounding islands. The lesser bird of paradise, Paradisea minor, is medium-sized, up to 32 cm long, maroon-brown with a yellow crown and brownish-yellow upper back. The lesser bird of paradise feeds mainly on fruits and also takes arthropods. Lesser bird of paradise has their own mating rituals. It started when one or several females approach the lek, in which up to 12 adult males may perch in single lek tree to perform competitive visual displays in hopes of attracting sexual partners. These displays are accompanied by calls. Lesser bird of paradise is one of the most beautiful birds in the world. Blue jay. The blue jay, Cyanocida cristata, is a passerine bird in the family Corvidae, and one of the most popular birds in North America. Blue jays are one of the most intelligent and colorful birds in the world, and also it is one of loudest. Like Bohemian waxwings, blue jays are songbirds too. You distinguish these songbirds to its noisy jay-like calls. Most of their diet is composed of acorns, nuts, and seed, although they also eat small creatures such as caterpillars, beetles and grasshoppers. Keel-billed toucan. The keel-billed toucan, Ramphastos sulphuratus, also known as sulphur-breasted toucan or rainbow-billed toucan, is a colorful Latin American member of the toucan family. They have huge, multi-colored beak that will reach up to 20 centimeters in length. Its tongue is like a feather that is used to catch food and flick it down its throat. The keel-billed toucan has a diet that primarily consists of large quantities of different varieties of fruit and berries. It also feasts on bird eggs, insects, lizards, and tree frogs should the keel-billed toucan feel peckish and in the absence of fruit. Keel-billed toucans are very social birds. Often seen in pairs, but not usually in groups like Aracaris. Mandarin duck. The mandarin duck, X. galericulata, is a perching duck species native to East Asia. Mandarin duck is a medium-sized bird. It can reach 8 to 10 inches in length and weigh between 1.5 and 2.5 pounds. These colorful beautiful ducks exist in Japan and the easternmost portions of Russia and China. They mainly eat plants and seeds, especially beech mast. Mandarin ducks will also add snails, insects and small fish to its diet. But in fall and winter, they mostly eat acorns and grains. The funny thing is these ducks don't quack. They make small, almost chirping noises while going about their daily activities, and they can let loose shrill and alarm-like sounds to signal danger. Peacock. The peacock, the most beautiful of birds, is found in rainforests and forests of Asia and Central Africa. And there are two familiar peacock species. The blue peacock lives in India and Sri Lanka, while the green peacock is found in Java and Myanmar. Peacock is actually the name of male bird of peafowl family. Peacocks are renowned for their colorful display of iridescent tail feathers. The colorful tail feather display of peacocks is probably the most beautiful courtship display among bird family. Peacocks are ground feeders that eat insects, plants, and small creatures. Despite of peacock's tail feathers that can reach up to 6 feet long and make up about 60% of its body length, peacocks flies just fine, if not very far. Atlantic puffin. The Atlantic puffin, Fratercula arctica, also known as the common puffin, is a species of seabird in the auk family. A small well-adapted seabird that found across the coast of northern United States and eastern Canada. Atlantic puffins are also known as sea parrot due to their huge, multicolored bill and penguin-like coloration. Atlantic puffins have penguin-like color, but they have a colorful beak that has led some to dub them the sea parrot. The beak fades to a drab gray. They breed in each summer and spring on the islands of North Atlantic Ocean. These birds are carnivores, and mostly thrive on fish and crustaceans. The food that they bring to their nestlings is primarily small fish. Atlantic puffins can load between 10 to 30 fishes in their huge beaks. Victoria crowned pigeon. The Victoria crowned pigeon, Gora victoria, is a large, bluish-gray pigeon with elegant blue lace-like crests, maroon breast, and red irises. This regal-sounding pigeon is native to the low swamps and plains of northern New Guinea. It is part of a genus Gora of 4 unique, very large, ground-dwelling pigeons native to the New Guinea region. Like all pigeons, Victoria crowned pigeons feed on the ground. In the wild, their diet consists mainly of fallen fruits, seeds, grains, and small invertebrates. Named for the British monarch Queen Victoria, the Victoria crowned pigeon is without doubt a royal bird. Flamingo. A flamingo is a large wading bird, and there are 6 different species of flamingos in the world. The stunning red-purple colored plumage itself make flamingos so special among birds. Flamingos are large birds with long necks, stick-like legs and pink or reddish feathers. An adult flamingo measure 4 to 5 feet in length and up to 3.6 kilograms in weight. The legs of flamingos are also very long, measure between 30 and 50 inches. Their diet mainly consists of blue, green and red algae, diatoms, larval and adult forms of small insects, crustaceans, mollusks, and small fishes make up the main diet of flamingos. And these are some of the most beautiful birds in the world. There are many beautiful kinds of birds in the planet that were not added yet on my list. And I'm so proud that we have them until these days. Hope we all gather up together to fight climate change and to save our rainforest. Or else, we will not see these beautiful birds again. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, TM Vlogger, and hit the bell so you can be updated. Thank you.